In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dropbox file to PC. By the end, you'll know how to save files or folders from your own Dropbox account, as well as how to download something you received through a shared link, even if you don't sign in. Start by opening your web browser and going to Dropbox.com. Click Sign In and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to download. Move your mouse over it and you'll see a small checkbox appear to the left. Click that checkbox. This selects the item and also reveals a toolbar along the top of the page with actions you can take. In that toolbar, click Download. Your browser may ask where you want to save the file. If it does, pick the folder on your PC, like your downloads or desktop, and confirm. If your browser is set to save automatically, it will go straight into your default downloads folder. Watch for the download progress in the corner of your browser window. Larger files may take a bit longer depending on your internet connection. If you selected a folder, Dropbox will package it into a single .zip file before downloading. That's normal and helps move everything at once. When the download completes, you'll have a .zip file on your PC that contains all the items from the folder. Now, if someone sent you a Dropbox link and you don't want to sign in, you can still download. Click the link you received to open the Dropbox preview page. On that page, look for the download icon. It's a downward arrow. Click it, then choose Direct Download. This tells Dropbox to save the file straight to your computer without asking you to sign in. If the shared item is a folder, the same rule applies. Dropbox will compress it into a .zip and then download it. A few quick tips to make things smoother. If you don't see the download button in your toolbar after selecting an item, make sure the item is actually checked and that you're viewing the main file list, not inside a preview. If your browser asks to keep or discard the download, choose Keep. And if you're working with very large files or folders, give the compression and download a moment. Processing time is normal. That's all there is to it. Select your file or folder, click Download, and for shared links, use the downward arrow and choose Direct Download. You're ready to save your Dropbox content straight to your PC.